on the set square like this. Now this line will intersect with each other and we can have proper angle using this set square of the t square. We can draw, if you have noticed properly, then we must know that with using this set square we can draw any sort of line at angle of the 15-degree increment. We can draw line at 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, etc. till 180 degree. With use of this set square and t square we can combine these various angles. Now what we will see, we will draw the line at the 15-degree incremental angle. First of all 0 degree using the set square, using the t square itself, 0 degree using the t square itself, 15 degree, which means that 30 plus 45, put the set of this two set square like this and draw 15 degree line over here. 15 degree line, how we can draw this? Put one set square biggest side on this edge and match this like this. 30 plus 5 means 15 degree. 30, 45 and 60 we have already seen. 75 degree, 30 plus 45, slide the set square over here like this, slide the set square like this, draw the line, and this line is at 75 degrees. 90 degree line we have already seen. Now we want to draw the line passing through two given points. These are very much important part with which we can clearly see in the animations, that how we can draw various line, various tangent curves, etc. using this animation. First of all we will see that draw the line passing through two given point. We have point A and we have got point B. We want to draw a line passing through these 2 points. How we can draw that? Place the pencil tip at one of the point. We have put up the lead of the pencil at one of the point. Now we have placed the triangle against the pencil tip. Exactly on the pencil tip we have put the triangle. Now what we are going to do the next? Swing the triangle around the pencil and which incline with the second point. We have set pencil point, then we have put the triangle exactly on this tip, then we have swing the set square where it collide with the point B. Now what we are going to do? We'll draw a line and we can get our line on two given point. We can draw a line passing through two given points. Now we will apply geometry. We know that how we can use the tools. Now we must apply our geometry to the various parts. First point is how to bisect a line. These are very much important parameters which we must know before starting any sort of basic things. How to bisect line, how to draw triangles, how to draw tangent circles, how to draw two circles tangent to each other. These are very much basic parameters which we must know before proceeding to any sort of other drawing like engineering curves or any orthographic projections or isometric projection or projection of plane or line. Before moving to that points, we must focus and we must clear our concept on these parameters so that our basic roots are concealed. How we can bisect a line? We know how to draw a line passing through to given point, right? We have put up our pencil tip over here and we have swing the set square inclined to over here and we have drawn the line. Now I want to bisect this line. What is the meaning of bisector? Which means that I want to divide this line into two parts exactly in the middle of this. In the other words, we can say that I want to find out the midpoint of this line AB. Now how I can do and how I can bisect the line? This bisecting line is a basic concept. This basic concept will cover in many various methods, cover in the next portions of the engineering curve, projections of line, in the projections of solid, projections of the plane. So have a look at very closely how we can bisect a line using this compass. Swing the two arcs of any radius greater than the half of the line with the center at the end of the line. What I have done, I have swing a random radius R1 which is greater than half length of the line. If I am having a line of 50 mm, then my radius must be more than 25 mm. Both the radius should be same. I have taken the center as A and drawn a arc. Then I have taken center as B and drawn an arc. Mark the 2 points where this arc got intersected. I have marked the 2 points and I have joined the line of this intersecting point of the arc, and with use of that I have got our bisector of the line, and with use of this I can locate the midpoint very much easily. The basic parameter is very much necessary. Swing the two arc of any radius greater than half length of the line. This line you must remember, the radius must be greater than half length of the line, which means that if the line is of 50 mm, then this radius R1, this radian R1 must be greater than 25. After this 25, greater than 25, let's say I have taken an arc of 30 mm, put the center of the compass on A, radius set at 30 mm, swing an arc like this, again radius set at 30 mm, center at point B, swing an arc like this, where both this arc got intersected over here and over here as two darkened blue point, we have got the intersecting point of the arc. I will join this intersecting point of arc with use of the line, and I can locate the midpoint of any line. We know how to bisect a line. Now, how to bisect an angle? This method will be covered in many of the cycloid and involute. In that, you need to divide and you need to bisect angle at various points. If you don't know the proper method, then over there you might be failed to draw the epicycloid. To conceal the concept, let's have a look at the various parameters which is very much necessary to bisect an angle. Angle always consists of 3 points. Over here the angle is CAB. The angle is CAB. Now I need to bisect this angle CAB. How I can do this? Let's have a look at it step by step. Have a look at very carefully, then you will get proper knowledge how to get the bisect of the angle. We have got this angle CAB. I need to bisect this angle. How I can do this? Swing an arc of any radius whose centers at vertex. Take any random radius R1. Let's say I have taken radius of 25 mm, which will coincide with this line AC and BC. We have got two intersecting point of the arc and line. I have highlighted with the blue color. Now swing the arc of any radius from intersection point between previous arc and the line over here. You can take any random arc. If you have taken this 25 mm, then you can take 10 mm also over here, but the center would be this intersection point of the arc and the line. I have taken the radius of 10 mm from both the side, drawn the arc which intersect with each other. I have highlighted the point and draw the line which will bisect the angle, which means that I have divided this angle CAB into two parts. If my angle is of 45 degrees, then the bisector line will be achieved at 22.5 degrees. If I have got the angle of 50 degrees, then this line will be achieved at 25 degrees. Let's see again how I have bisect the angle of this CAB. What I have done, first of all, taking center as A, I have drawn a random arc which intersect with this both the line. Where this arc and the line intersect, I have marked the 2 point. With this 2 point at center, I have drawn to another similar arc. Arc R2 as radius on both the side. Both the arc coincide with each other. As an intersection point, I have got a point which I have highlighted. Join that point to the point number A, which is the bisector of this angle. How we can draw a line parallel to the given line and passes through a given point? I want to draw a line which is parallel to this line, also which passes through this point number C. Very interesting case. Want to draw parallel line to this blue line, and this parallel line should pass through this point number C. How I can draw this line? Let's have a look at it. Place the set square like this, exactly on the edge of the line. Set square like this, exactly on the edge of the line. Now what you are going to do? Put another set square at angle like this. How? Like this. Put another set square over like this. Hold both these set square very firmly. Hold both these set square very firmly so that this angle cannot be distorted. I must set this two set square so that proper parallelism can be achieved. I have slided this over here and I have put up this set square on the point number C. Let's have a look at it again. Slide on this edge of the set square till it reaches to the point number C. Like this. It reached to the point number C. Meanwhile, what you need to do precaution, this set square should not be turned or change the position. It should be exact position to like this only. If the position has been changed, if the position is changed from this over here, then parallel line will not be drawn. Slide and put it to the point number C. Remove that set square, another set square, and what you are going to do, draw a proper line like this. Remove set square. What you have achieved? You have achieved a line which is parallel to this line, also passing through this given point. Let me repeat this once again. I want to draw this line parallel to this and which passes through this point. Put the set square like this properly. Put another set square like this. Hold both the set squares very firmly. Slide the set square, first set square, till it reaches to the point number C. Remove another set square. Draw a proper line which passes through the point number C. Remove the set square and you can see that clearly this line is parallel to the given line and which is also passing through this given point. In this part, we have seen various parameters of how we can use the tools, how we can prepare the tools, and how we can implement the geometries as well. We'll see the next portion of this Cognifront series very soon. Thank you very much.